Okay, here we are on the 19th of May at the Canyonlands National Park Visitor Center. And right here comes Darling with her stamp book. What are you gonna do, Dar?
I'm going to go in here and get my books stamped and buy an ornament.
She's cramping for stamping. Well, if they don't have ornaments here.
I'll get something to make one out of.
Uh-oh. She's a very determined lady. There's the sign. Green River Overlook. All kinds of programs, ranger programs. To the right. It's stamping happening today. No test paper?
No, they don't have any.
You want to use my hand?
Can I?
Okay, perfect. So only Google Ads.
Yeah. Just go on to rep.gov.
It might go pretty quick.
They do.
It's
Tomorrow's
the
on Monday.
ranger program.
Oh, we ain't no ranger program.
Junior ranger, I mean.
Okay.
We didn't bring no juniors.
End up getting one for whatever reason. If you go to the park before 7
Good job,
a.m.
Dar.
or after 4.
Thanks, Dave.
Okay, now, I say I get there at,
I'll be Dave, you be Dar.
how long is it? Because I noticed that.
There's your, gotta find a sticker right here.
Here's that.
There we go. Why does it say arches here?
Well, I think they do have some arches, but it isn't Arches National. There's this one.
I like this one with the billy goat on it.
This?
Yep. Okay. Ornament hunting. See you later.
So it's Monday evening, May 20th, and we are at Canyonlands by night and day. We're scheduled to take a boat tour through the canyon in Canyonlands tonight. It's a little bit windy, a little bit cool tonight, so hopefully we don't get rained on. But this is the actual place that you go to meet. And then they have a really nice big dining room. You pay for dinner. You can do the boat tour with dinner or without, so we chose to do it with dinner. So we're just kind of waiting around here. In a few minutes we're going to load onto the boat. They're supposed to take us through the canyon in Canyonlands National Park, and when we come back out of the canyon it should be dark, and they're supposed to shine lights up on some of the canyons as we come through. So we'll see what it's like and let you know. So here's the back side where we're waiting for the boat ride. Right in there is where we had our dinner, and it was absolutely amazing. Every bit of food that they offered was amazing. We had pork barbecue, beef barbecue, barbecue chicken. They had salad, pasta salads, coleslaw, baked beans, corn, and dessert. And I can't remember what we paid, but when I look it up, I'll put it on here. This place is beautiful. This is the...
Money is no object for your happiness, my love.
Right. So this is Colorado River?
This here is the Colorado River.
So that's where we're going to go out of, right there. Into the canyon.
Beautiful our canyons was. He said that Mother Nature had provided them everything he needed for a light show. So he started just driving up the canyon, seeing what he could see in the rocks, and over time he eventually put together this light show for you guys. And this light show actually hasn't been changed in 25 years. So it's a very simple light show. No fireworks or anything like that. We're not Disneyland here, but it is beautiful. And I would be here to answer any of your guys' questions and hopefully keep you pretty entertained on our way up the river here. We're going to be going up the river for about an hour, and then we'll float back down for another hour. Alright? Hasn't run since that day. So it just sits there. It's a nice little decoration. Originally it was built to take mountain bikers up to the Slick Rock Bike Trail, which is just on top of the cliffs up here. Alright, can you guys all see my light in this dead tree over here? If you were to follow my light up the mountain right here, you can see our first face in the rock. Can y'all see that? So what does it look like to y'all? The Fred Flintstone. I've done Charlie Brown before. I've done the Trump. I think it's the color that gave him that idea. And if you look right above him, you can see he's wearing a crown. Can anyone guess where he went to dinner? Burger King, which means he drove all the way up to Christ because we do not have a Burger King here. So the color of that rock is actually the original color of the sandstone. All of this black stuff and this darker red is white leaves on it. Let's call it tamarisk. It's actually invasive in this area. It can drink up to 100 gallons of water a day, which is why we don't like it very much around here. It does help hold the soils in, but it drinks way too much water. And as we come around, you guys might start to see this other alcove right up here. Yeah, that's not an arch, that's just another little alcove. Yeah. Captain Mom's going to swing us around here. A little more about the tree, though. They actually released a beetle on that tree to try to get rid of it. Yeah. But my whole worry is that if they release a beetle, eventually they're going to have to release a bird. And then
this is the drive into Canyonlands. Completely different landscapes and views than Arches, and it's just a few miles down the road. It's amazing how the landscape changes.
I guess if it was warmer, I'd get my binoculars out, see